Have you ever felt stuck? Like the person you are today is miles away from the person you dream of becoming? If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Bridging that gap isn't about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps in the right direction. In today's video, we're going to break down how to close that gap and step into the version of yourself you've always wanted to be. Let's dive in. 1. Define your vision. The first step to becoming who you want to be is knowing exactly what that looks like. Grab a notebook and write down a clear vision of your future self. How would you spend your day? What values are guiding you? What habits do you have? The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to map out the path to get there. Put your vision in paper. You can use any media you want. A vision board, a journal, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that you can see it every day. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about creating a roadmap for progress. 2. Evaluate where you are now. Next, take an honest look at where you are now. What's stopping you from being that future version of yourself? Is it procrastination, self-doubt, or maybe a lack of certain skills? This self-reflection isn't about self-criticism. It's about gaining insight into what needs to change and understanding what you need to work on. 3. Set realistic goals. Once you've defined your vision and assessed your starting point, set achievable goals that move you closer to your desired self. Break it down. Instead of vague goals like be healthier, aim for specific actionable steps like exercise 3 times a week or cook at home 5 days a week. Now prioritize them. Focus on 1 or 2 areas at a time to avoid overwhelm. Small, consistent progress is more sustainable and impactful than attempting to overhaul your life overnight. 4. Adopt keystone habits. Here's where the magic happens. Habits. Small, consistent actions compound over time to create massive change. Start with 1 keystone habit, something simple but impactful, like journaling, exercising, or eating healthier. These habits will create a ripple effect in your life, making it easier to adopt more positive behaviors. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. Focus on showing up daily, even if it's just for 5 minutes. 5. Change your environment. Surround yourself with inspiration. This could mean motivational quotes, a vision board, or even rearranging your space to reflect your future self. Choose your company wisely. Surround yourself with people who inspire, motivate, and challenge you. If you don't have those people in your life right now, that's okay. Start by consuming content, like this video that pushes you toward growth. Over time, your circle will evolve to match the person you're becoming. 6. Embrace the process. Remember to be patient. Lasting change takes time and effort. Learning from your setbacks will be crucial for your success. View mistakes as opportunities to grow, not reasons to quit. Lastly, celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every step forward is a step closer to your future self. Recognize your wins and let them fuel your motivation. Transformation isn't about reaching a destination. It's about appreciating the journey. Becoming the best version of yourself is a process, and you're capable of it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the gap between who you are and who you want to be shrink every single day. Take that first step today. Your future self is cheering you on. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal growth. Until next time, keep moving forward.